Hello, you guys!
Hello! And this is
Cagayan de Oro City!
Yeah, and this is
And we are here at the Lux Hotel, the very first gold hotel in the Philippines.
Gold hotel in the Philippines.
I have a very cute baby right here beside me. Her name is Duchess. Say hi, Duchess. Hi, everybody.
He said hello. She said hello.
Hello. So we are belated here at the Lux Hotel here in Cagayan de Oro.
Yeah.
And Theo, take them with you inside the room. So you show them the premier suite.
So, hey guys. So, this is my hotel one. Oh hi, brothers. So this is my hotel one. As you can see, it's this one, and I'll give you guys a tour. So that's me, right? So yeah, for the first guys, we we had this closet, and this closet has this one and this one and this one. I don't know what's all of these things, guys. It made me make sure it's my things, guys. So yes, Princess, what do you want? I didn't.
So we have booked for 2 rooms, the premier suite, and then this other room, the deluxe twin room, and we have a connecting room. So it's a fairly nice hotel, the only 5-star hotel here in Cagayan de Oro. And I really like to stay here because I like their buffet, unlimited access to the executive lounge at the very top of the hotel.
And we
with
are
very unlimited coffee
and we are going to the
everything
pool
there.
later.
So here with me is my other niece. Her name's Princess. Princess, can you say hello?
Hello.
Hi, how are you, everybody?
I am Martina, and my father are going to the bathroom.
Wow. Are you from Tinigbasan or Kabadbaran?
Bathroom. Wait, you were born in Kabadbaran. In the bathroom, kaya. You were born because you were in emergency. Yeah. She was born in Kabadbaran, guys.
So what are our plans for today, Pio?
Going to the pool, going to anything. A swimsuit, gonna buy my swimsuit, pink swimsuit. And it's so fun, guys.
But you don't have your swimsuit.
Yeah. Are you gonna cry? Yes.
Don't cry. Hey, Dutch, come here. Are you going to the pool?
I go to the pool, yeah. I'm going to eat that mud. Boo.
Who's going to the pool?
Me, please. I please. I please.
How about you? You want to go to the pool?
I'm gonna do it now.
Don't do that. Why did you do that?
There's a lot of
Are you going to the pool?
guys.
Okay, so it's the end of the video for now. Tonight we are going to High Ridge. It's the highest point here in Cagayan where there's actually a very nice restaurant. It's my birthday tomorrow, so this is part of our 2-day celebration. See you tonight, babies. Later. Thank you, my love. Can you sing happy birthday for me?
I got a present for you.
Yeah, please sing happy birthday.
Bye, guys.
Hello, you guys. I have here with me my nephew. His name is Pio. And this is my other nephew, Bidji. And that one is Kuya Earl, Myron, Aname. We are here right now at the very first gold hotel in the Philippines, which is the Lux Limketkai Hotel.
This is the best hotel. It has pool on the 3rd floor.
Okay, so why are you so excited to stay here?
Because the room is big and it looks like a condo.
Okay. Are you excited to go to the pool?
I'm very excited. The open of the pool.
The opening time will be from 9 in the morning until 10 in the evening.
Yeah, and it's 10 is very late.
Okay. So, what are your plans then?
I wanna swim.
And then, did you bring some clothes for swimming, your swimsuits?
I don't have one. Have you had?
I brought mine.
I don't have one.
Princess, are you here?
Princess, come here. I need to show you something. Over here. This is my nephew.
Hey, this is Princess.
This is my cousin.
Hey.
I'm the queen one.
You're the queen one? What is your name? Louder, I can't hear it. Louder.
Louder. I am in it. I'm a party.
Where are you right now?
At the Cagayan
Hotel.
Hotel.
What are we doing here?
Sleeping. Staying.
Who's celebrating a birthday?
It's Tito Milo.
Whose birthday is it? What?
Princess.
Oh, it's your birthday, not mine?
No, it's Tito Milo. It's blurred.
Oh, what happened?
Put some, this one.
Okay, there.
Cameo. It's not one.
Okay. So, Princess,
It's this birthday.
it is my birthday, not yours.
Are you gonna cry? What's happening?
Who's crying?
Let's guys, we have to see who's crying.
Duchess, come here! Why is Duchess crying?
Hey guys! So, this is us and this is my mommy. Say hi to my vlog, mommy. Mommy! Mommy! Say hi. Hello. Yeah. Let's go to the other room. Norman, say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Norman! Oh. Hello. Wait, guys. So the camera won't fall. This is busy. Hello.